Alright y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So y'all, why is it thunderstorming out there? Like really thunderstorming. I'm gonna try to get a little glimpse of it. About to bring the kids. About to bring the kids. I'm like, oh Lord, hold on y'all. Y'all, they gonna get wet. I don't wanna get wet. I got my jacket. I got her stroller. I don't know if I'm gonna need it. They might even open this door, let them come in through this back way. Let me see, hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah, so y'all, we was able to get her to open this side door because it is starting to flood in the front area, where the entrance area. And the kids are gonna be coming any time now. And they gonna get wet, they gonna be scared. So we're gonna see, hey, we're gonna see it's lightning and thundering out there. We're gonna see. I'm hoping it stopped before they get here, but it is. All right, be right back, y'all. No, we're waiting. Uh-oh, it's thundering again. It's thundering. It's thundering. And look, it's gonna be a rainbow out here. The sun is coming out, y'all. Look at the sun. It's right behind you, so I don't see the rainbow yet. That's the sign right there. Yeah, there go the sun, y'all. We're gonna see where this rainbow gonna be at. It's gonna be coming somewhere. If it ain't already out there, it's somewhere. Yes, come on, rainbow. Where you at? I don't see it yet. It's somewhere close though. You know, if you see that sun, that rainbow gonna be. Okay, so we had talked to the daycare. She's waiting for it to die down because I know it's probably pouring down more on their end. It was lightning. Y'all, the sun want to come out. Like, what? The sun wants to come out. He say, I'm coming to shine on y'all, okay? I'm like, you know what? If there's a sun, there's going to be a rainbow. So, I'm trying to see. Hold on, y'all. Hey. Girl, I'm waiting for them now. It started pouring down, so she's waiting. Every time I start recording, somebody want to start talking to me. Like, can y'all just wait till I finish recording? Then I can talk to y'all. Right now, I'm going to check my clothes, y'all, down in the basement. It did stop. So I'm hoping it, y'all, they didn't dry. But you know what? I need this pillowcase. I'm going to let them keep on going until after dinner. I'm gonna let them keep on going to after dinner. This is our laundry room. Clothes over there. So we are down in the basement. Yeah, I'm so hungry. I'm about to go see what they having for dinner. I heard it was fish and grits. So hopefully it is good. I'm gonna let y'all see. So I'll be back once I get the kids. I forgot to tell y'all, today is Tuesday. So Tuesday is our laundry day. It be kind of hectic because a lot be going on in this building. Like I said, I had to go down to the basement to go check my clothes, see if they are drying. Now I'm about to go see if it has stopped raining to go get the kids. Be right back.
Out here chasing the dope man.
You so silly. It's about to pour down. Listen, y'all, listen. OMG. OMG. I want to see how hard it's going to come down. It's about to come down, y'all. It's raining. Ooh, it feel good, though. Get inside, Z. Don't block my way, dang. Good morning, y'all. Welcome to the vlog. This is Wednesday. Happy hump day. I know your girl look crazy right now. I got me some coffee. Coffee. Let's go in here. Oh, Jesus. Take the wheel, Lord. Do it, Lord. You better get him, Lord. Oh, goodness, y'all. Yesterday was laundry day. I am just not in the mood for today. Let me see. Okay, you see me. Okay. As long as you fall forward, you can see me. All right, y'all. Dang. It stormed so bad last night, y'all. It was storming. It was rumbling, okay? Rumbling. It was rumbling. I'm like, oh, I said, hope this building don't cave in, y'all. It was crazy, crazy. Let me finish drinking this hot coffee. Look at that. Okay, my spoon in there. I'm about to add this other creamer in here. That's what I'm about to do. I got one more creamer, y'all. I gotta add in here. I'm about to add this in here. Here's my lipstick, y'all. I'm still here. Ooh. I need this coffee.
We don't understand that one.
She's like,
we don't understand that. English.
all right, y'all. I'm gonna check some emails.
I speak English, Joe. I don't know about that stuff.
Oh, shoot. Let me check some emails, y'all, before I get ready for the day. I be having it so cold up here. Oh my God. Happy Wednesday. Hopefully y'all have a good day. I'm gonna try to have a good day. Maybe there's so much be going on. Be like, oh, Lord. I gotta go wash my face. I want to get my nails done, but my nails are growing, so I might just have them put do my own nails. And I'm trying to see, while we in this program, they have where you can sign up to get your hair done. So I'm about to have them do my hair probably within the next couple of days. Probably on Thursday. Probably on actually no, tomorrow Thursday. Shoot. She said within like the next couple of days. So I don't think they do it on Friday. Probably gonna be on Monday. So y'all gonna see that. I'm let them take y'all with me so y'all can see me get my hair done. I want a bob, so I'm gonna try to see if she can do me a bob. Yeah, we want a bob forever. I just probably gonna get some layers. I might get some layers in it because my hair, I want a full bob. That's what I want. I'm not getting my hair in a bob, but I need some chapstick, y'all. Hold on. These lipsticks, they crusting. They crusting, y'all. They crusting. Let me find some. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So I want to show y'all. Yes, I done fell in love with this, but I just got to get some more shades. And I see the same shade is right here. So this one is called... Oh. Okay, so the brand is Full Force. But it's called Dreamboat. And y'all, love this color. I not so much love the color. I like how it feels. It feels really good on your lips. It feels good. It's not like a thick. It's not a thick lipstick.
Girl, go sit down somewhere.
Hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah, y'all. So we just got back from breakfast. It has some grits, eggs, sausage, bacon. We didn't get no toast this time, but... And I got coffee.
Alright, sit down. I'm not gonna tell you that no more. That's my last time saying it. The next time I'm gonna punch your ass. What part of sit down you don't get?